Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to study finite groups and subgroups. Now today we start with the order of group. So definition of order of group. The number of elements of a group G is called the order of group G. Okay, now we see the notation. The order of group G is denoted by mod G. So this is the notation for order of group G. Order of group is nothing but the total number of elements present in that group is known as order of group. Okay, now we see some examples. So example first, consider Z5. Okay, so Z5, that is modulo 5, set of integers modulo 5. So here 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar and 4 bar. Okay, so this is the set of Z5. Now here total number of elements in Z5 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So Z5 contains 5 elements. Therefore, order of Z5 is 5. So similarly, if we consider the set Zn, then order of Zn is n, right? Now we take next example. So here if we consider the set U of 10. So U of 10, that is the set of all positive integers less than 10 and relatively prime to 10. So here we write the elements 1, 3, 7 and 9. So these are the positive integers less than 10 and relatively prime to 10. Relatively prime, that means the GCD of these two number that is 1, 10, 3, 10, 7, 10 and 9, 10. Okay, so its GCD is equals to 1, that means relatively prime. Okay, so here now U of 10 contains the 4 elements, so therefore order of U10 is equals to 4. Get it? Now we consider the next example. Third example, if we consider the set of integers under operation addition. Consider set of integers under addition So now here we want to find the order of this set. Okay, so here set of integers, the set of integer is infinite. So here z is equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Okay, so this set is infinite. It contains the infinite number of elements. Therefore, order of z is infinite. Get it? Order of a group means order of group, that means the number of elements of a group G is called the order of group G. Okay, and we denote this by mod G. Now next point, next definition, order of an element. So definition, let G be a group and A belongs to group G. Then the order of the element A in G is the smallest positive integer such that A raised to n is equals to E. Okay, so here order of element and that element belongs to the set G is the smallest positive integer n, such that A raised to n is equals to E. So this integer n is called as order of element. Okay, if no such integer exists, then the order of element A is infinite. Okay, if no such integer n exists, then order of that element is infinite. Now we see some examples. Before example, we see notation. The order of an element is denoted by mod A. So order of element A is denoted by mod A. Now we see the example. So first example, consider set Z3 under addition modulo 3. Compute order of each element in Z3. Okay, so here set Z3 is given under addition operation modulo 3. Compute order of each element in Z3. So first of all, we mention the set Z3 0 bar, 1 bar and 2 bar. Okay, so this set contains 3 elements. So order of group Z3 is 3. Okay, now here first of all, write down note. Before solution, here we write the note that order of identity element is 1. So always remember this thing, order of an identity element is always 1. Okay, so here binary operation is addition. So under addition operation, the identity element is 0, right? So here first we consider the element 0 bar. So here 0 bar is the identity with respect to addition modulo 3. Okay, so therefore order of 0 bar is 1 since It is identity. Okay, now next element. Now we consider element 1 bar. So 1 bar raised to 1 is equals to 1 bar. So which is not equals to identity. Hence 1 is not the order of 1 bar. Now we check next power. 1 bar raised to 2. So 1 bar raised to 2, that is 1 bar plus 1 bar, since binary operation is addition here. So 1 bar plus 1 bar is 2, which is again not identity. Hence power 2 is not order of element 1. Now we take next 3. So 1 bar plus 1 bar plus 1 bar. So we get 3 bar, and under modulo 3 we get remainder 0, right? So which is identity element. Hence order of element 1 bar is 3. So therefore order of 1 bar is equals to 3. Get it? Now compute order of 2 bar. Okay, so first, now 2 bar raised to 1 is 2 bar, again which is not identity. Hence it is order of order of element 1, order of element 2 is not 1. Now next 2 raised to 2. So 2 bar plus 2 bar we get 4 bar, and under modulo 3 we get 1 bar, again which is not identity. Hence order of element 2 is not again 2. Now check for 3. 2 bar plus 2 bar plus 2 bar. So we get 6 bar, and under modulo 3 we get 0 bar. So 0 bar is identity. Hence order of element 2 bar is equals to 3. Get it, this example? So order is nothing but there exists a smallest positive integer n such that a raised to n is equals to e. If no such integer exists, then order of that element is infinite. Get it? Okay. Now we consider the next example. Here we consider the set of integers under addition operation. Consider the set of integers under addition. Compute order of each element of z. Order of each element of z. Okay, now see here, set of integer is given and here binary operation is addition. But here we know that the set of integers is infinite. Okay, so given set is infinite set. Now here, first of all write down set of integers -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this set is infinite. But under addition operation here the identity element is 0. So here 0 is the identity element under addition. So here we know that the order of identity element is 1. So therefore order of 0 is equals to 1. Now the given set is infinite. Here no such smallest positive integer n exists. Hence the order of remaining all element is infinite. Okay. So order of all element, here set z is infinite. Here z is infinite. Therefore order of each element of z except 0 is infinite. Order of each element of Z except 0 is infinite. Get it this? Okay. Now we take the next example. Let G is equals to 1 minus 1 I minus I. This set is given under complex multiplication. Under complex multiplication. So here compute order of group and order of each element of group G. Okay. So here set G is given. Set G is 1 minus 1 I and minus I under complex multiplication. Okay. So here first of all we want to find the order of group. Solution, first write down given. Given set G is equals to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay. So here G contains 4 elements. Therefore, order of group G is equals to 4. Okay, order of group is nothing but the number of elements of that group. So, order of group is 4. Now, here we want to compute the order of each element, right? So, consider one. So here under complex multiplication, here identity element is 1. So in G, identity element is 1. Therefore, order of 1 is 1. Right? Now, consider next element minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 raised to 1 we get minus 1, which is not identity. Hence, order of minus 1 is not 1. Now, next minus 1 square 1 raised to 2. So, minus 1 into minus 1 we get minus minus plus 1, which is identity. So, hence order of minus 1 is 2. Get it? Now, similarly, we want to compute the order of I and minus I. Here, I is the imaginary number and 1 and minus 1 are the real numbers. Okay? So, now consider I. So, I raised to 1 is I itself, which is not identity. Okay, now consider I raised to 2. So, I into I, which is I square. Okay, and here I square is minus 1. Right? So, write down reason since I square is minus 1. Now, so 2 is again not order. Now, we consider I raised to 3. So, I into I, which is equals to I square into I. So, we get minus I, since I square is minus 1. Now, I raised to 4. So, I into I into I into I. That means we get I square into I square. So, we know that I square is minus 1. So, minus 1 into minus 1 we get 1. So, therefore, order of I is 4. Get it this? Order of I is 4. Now, next minus I. So here we take minus I raised to 1. So which is minus I, not identity element. Okay, so it is not order. Then minus I raised to 2. So we get minus I into minus I. So we get plus I square. And I square we get minus 1. Now minus I raised to 3. So minus I into minus I into minus I. So minus I into minus I is I square into minus I. So I square is nothing but minus 1, and minus 1 into minus I we get I. Again, which is not identity element. Okay, now we take the next power, minus I raised to 4, which is equals to minus I into minus I into minus I into minus I. That is minus I square. So minus I into minus I is I square. Again minus I into minus I is I square. Here I square is minus 1. Again I square is minus 1. Minus minus we get plus 1. So therefore order of minus I is 4. Get it? So order of each element is the smallest positive integer n such that a raised to n is equals to identity. If no such element exists, then order of that element is infinite. Get it? Okay. Now today we stop here. Thank you.